These are red starts.
Yeah.
Which one is red start? Red start. Yeah, baby, you can see the red tail. Here is the red tail.
Right.
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, they try to fly. Tomorrow they will move in the big cage. Yeah. They are also hungry. They are hungry all the day. All the day from early morning till night. Because they have to grow and to make feathers, make bones, make muscles. And here are the little sparrows. And was stellt sie? The wagtail, the baby. Here, the baby. The baby. Oh, the hungry baby.
Is that the one I held? I held the wagtail.
Yeah, exactly. And these are house sparrows. Very loud. Big mouth.
That's how they get
Always hungry also. And they have a lot of feathers and they warm the little baby.
It's nice that you can put different species together and it's not a problem.
That's no problem. Here are some young blackbirds. All of them were caught by the cat.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
How likely is a bird to survive an attack by a cat?
We have to give antibiotics. That means the vet. Tierarzt behandelt, was heißt das? The treatment. The vet make the treatment, and if we don't have antibiotics, they will die. And often we have to sew the wounds. Yeah. I cannot show you.
One had the broken wing, but we can't really
they
see.
Go away.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's true. We don't want to upset them. But they don't. You can tell that they're not afraid of you. They seem to know you, that you're helping them.
I think they know us, and blackbirds are easy. They are very easy birds. They are not loud. They eat. They fly soon. Yeah, they're really easy.